In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change default notification sound and haptics on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to make sure that our iPhone is running iOS 17.2 or later. To do that, we need to head over to Settings, then General, and then Software Update. That's where we can easily check our current iOS version. In my case, it is 17.2.1. If you got iOS version lower than 17.2, that's where you can update it to the latest iOS version. Once it is done, head over back to Settings and then tap Add Sounds and Haptics. If you scroll down a bit, here you can easily change default notification sound for ringtone, text tone, new voicemail, new mail, sent mail, calendar alerts, and reminder alerts. And also there is new setting here which is called default alerts, that appears on iOS 17.2 and later versions, and that's where we can select any notification alert sound from that list simply by tapping on it in that way. And also that's where at the very top we can change default haptics pattern. We can select any haptic pattern from that list, and also we can create new vibration if we tap right here. First off, we need to tap in the way we would like our device to vibrate, then hit stop and then save. Then we can enter a name for our vibration pattern, and after that it will appear right here at custom section, and that's how we can activate it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.